Yeah, peeps. So wanted to make some changes to my sequence. Also wanted to show you guys how to do that. So the last the last video practically cut it at the end, but who cares? Um, this is real. This is raw. So yeah, just deal with this sequence. So we go into automation, sequences. I don't know if you can see that, and I had I had my welcome message about masterminds, and my first message also about masterminds. So I wanted to change that. I think within that's why you make copies, because when you do stupid stuff, you're able to change it. hmm So this was the original message, and I just want to change this. So I just want to change that, copy that. Just work with 2 pages instead of one. It's taking its time. Then I want to go back to sequence. No, not copy. I want to go back to the original sequence number one. So then I want to come in here. So I can edit this. Just click on edit flow. And I can just put, oh yeah. No, that's not what I wanted to put there. I wanted to put this. So I could just put something like tip of the day. Tip of the day. And just leave it simple as that. Tip of the day, tip number one. I could just put tip of the day. I don't even have to put tip number one. Tip of the day, maintaining a healthy weight is essential when it comes to great body health. Many other tips may provide temporary relief, but essentially, being within a healthy weight range with a strong core and great back support, great back muscle support, is going to be the game changer you so wish to find. And I think that is perfect at this point. And I just want to publish that. Cool. So if I go back to sequence, number one is the introductory welcome message, introductory, and then the educational message or the tip is this. So job well done for now, and some more changes to come, obviously. But as they come, I will just keep up. So yeah, cool. Look out for the next video tomorrow. I'm going to be posting videos every day. Don't know how many people are going to see this, but for the ones who do, I think this is a great opportunity to watch and work along with this very interesting, um, concept of doing marketing. It's called conversational marketing. Um, some nice fancy words, but yeah, it's basically what it is. So, um, Stay tuned for the next video.